Linking your bank account to Novo Business is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Open the Novo app. Download and install the Novo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log into your Novo Business account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. In the app, find the menu icon, usually located in the top left or right corner. Tap on it and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. Within the account settings, look for the option that says Link Bank Account or similar. Tap on this option to begin the process of connecting your external bank account. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check this information for accuracy to avoid any linking issues. Step 5. Confirm and complete. After entering your bank details, review the information and confirm the linking request. You may receive a verification email or notification. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the linking process. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Novo Business account, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your finances.